Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with the essentials. In this video, I will show you how to make tacos de papa. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 5 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and quartered, along with 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter for a creamy filling. Don't forget 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 1 minced garlic clove to add flavor. Finally, have 12 corn tortillas ready for your delicious tacos. Now, let's create that delicious potato filling. Begin by boiling your quartered potatoes until they are perfectly fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain them well and mash them until smooth. In a separate pan, sauté your chopped onion and minced garlic until they are fragrant and translucent. Then, combine the mashed potatoes with the milk, butter, and the sautéed aromatics for a flavorful mixture. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble. First, warm your corn tortillas slightly to make them pliable and prevent tearing. You can do this in a dry pan or microwave for about 15 seconds. Next, spoon about 2 tablespoons of the potato filling onto 1/2 of each tortilla. Carefully fold the tortilla in half to form your taco. If you plan to fry them, you might want to secure each taco with a toothpick. The final step is the best part: frying and serving. Heat about 1 inch of vegetable oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place your assembled tacos into the oil. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove them from the oil and drain any excess on a paper towel-lined plate. Serve your delicious tacos de papa immediately with your favorite salsa, crema, or guacamole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.